I am Marike and I'm from Ellie and Mac, and we are having an awesome new pattern, the oversized tee. It's coming with a lot of different options and I'm going to show you today how to style them, because there is really just an awesome pattern. And it's coming with, as I said, with a lot of different options. It has a crop top length, and it has a tee length, and it has a tunic length, and it has short and long sleeves, and everything is there. But how do you style them? Especially with a crop top, it can be difficult, and people are always thinking, oh, I don't want to show any naked skin at my belly. But I'm going to show you how to do that without showing any naked belly. And I made 4 sweaters myself, and I'm going to show you that every sweater with 2 Ellie and Mac patterns and 1 store-bought pattern. So then let's start. This is the hand crop length, and I made a few pretty pants to it. As you can see, this is a high waist pattern, so no naked belly for me. And we think it looks pretty stylish, right? So let's go to the next. So, in the next outfit, this is the store-bought. My favorite jeans, a little bit dirty, but okay, I have 4 children, so. And a jacket on it, and yeah, I think that's pretty stylish too, don't you think? And combined with the breezy dress from Ellie and Mac. I really like it because I'm living in the Netherlands and it's pretty cold in January, so I'm still able to wear my nice summer dresses in the winter. So, in the next one, my husband said, is that really the same pattern? Yes, it is. This is the banded length with the banded boat neck, and I really like it. And I'm wearing this on a skirt with my boots, and yeah, I'm ready to go. And here's something really comfortable. It's excellent for a lazy Sunday on the couch. I'm wearing the Good Fight joggers with it, and I think that is the combination. And the next one. I combined this one with a few pretty pants from Ellie and Mac, so self-made. This is made from woven fabric, so grab your cool woven fabrics and sew yourself a pants. And I think it's with the undies sweater. It combines really good and stylish. Yeah. So let's talk tunic length. Tunic is absolutely perfect to combine with the urban leggings from Ellie and Mac. It's, by the way, my favorite pattern ever. You can wear it stylish with a belt, or also without a belt. And it's comfortable, relaxed, it's stylish, whatever you want. So, something really different, business style, but as you can see, it's working perfect. This is the tunic, just tucked in, and yeah, you can wear it with jacket or without jacket, and yeah, super stylish. And one tip, when you are sewing with stripes, you can think of turning the fabric a quarter around, and you can match your stripes and have a perfect, cool, awesome shirt. So, something totally different. This is the Good Fight joggers together with the tunic, and this is absolutely perfect for doing some exercising, and it is made for laying on the couch. And here you see something different again. Another crop top is banded, and it has the boat neck with the facing, and a really nice thing about the facing is that you can wear it off shoulder too, and without showing too much skin. It really gives a little bit sexy look. I wanted to combine this one with a skirt, and I used the one from the Be Graceful from Ellie and Mac. That is actually a dress, but it has a skirt pattern piece, and then just folding it over and add elastic, and you have an awesome skirt. And what I think of this combination is, I'm looking forward for summer. And here you see the crop top combined with a blouse and a jeans. And without showing any skin, you just wear your crop top. Pretty cool. And sometimes the secret to wearing a crop top is just to wear something beneath. So, I hope I could show you that with only one pattern you can make many different pieces. And with each individual piece you can create uncountable new styles. So, have fun creating with Ellie and Mac. And thank you for watching.